Alright guys, it's December 2nd. We're here for an evening hunt. Only hunted this spot one time this season, so pretty much these deer come out right in this corner here, heading over there to the food plots. My main goal now is to get a mature buck now that I've got a doe, so that's what I'm going to be looking for. So we'll see what happens. I got the bow back out, so hopefully I'll be able to get one with that. Alright guys, no deer tonight, but real quiet out there and still. So anyway, do me a favor and hit that like button. Maybe drop a comment down below or something. It'll help out my video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in my next video.